Lights over lake. On the 25th of January 2026 at around 9 p.m., a passenger flying at cruising altitude was looking out of the window while heading toward Chicago. The plane was flying over northern Lake Michigan at about 34,000 feet. While watching the sky to the northwest, the passenger started recording a time-lapse video, not expecting anything unusual at first. As the time-lapse continued, several small points of light appeared in the sky. These lights did not stay still like stars. Instead, they moved slowly and smoothly, changing position over time. Some of them traveled in different directions from each other. A few seemed to drift apart, while others appeared briefly close together before separating again. The movement did not match what you would normally see from airplanes. There were no blinking navigation lights and no straight, steady flight paths. The lights also did not leave any visible trails. Because this was a time-lapse, their motion became clearer when played back, showing that they were actively moving rather than staying fixed in one place. The orbs appeared against the dark sky above the cloud layer, making them easier to spot. Over several frames, they faded in and out, while others continued moving across the scene. What makes this sighting strange is that the lights were traveling in different directions at the same time, something stars or satellites would not do in this way. The witness was already high above most weather and air traffic, so common explanations feel less certain. While there may be a normal explanation, the way these orbs moved over Lake Michigan leaves open questions about what was really captured in the sky that night. Night Sky Puzzle. Around 3 a.m. on the 26th of January 2026, a medical helicopter was taking off near the Wisconsin-Michigan border. The crew was wearing night vision goggles, flying at about 1,000 feet above the ground in an area. Suddenly, right in front of them, they noticed a very bright light. It seemed like another aircraft was coming their way, but the aircraft collision system didn't show anything, and no one replied on the radio. At first, they thought it could be a normal plane, but that idea didn't last long. The light sped up really fast and disappeared straight ahead without falling or fading like a shooting star. As they kept flying, more lights started to show up out of nowhere. They weren't just standing still, they moved left to right, up and down. Sometimes 2 or 3 would appear together. At one point, the crew counted as many as 6 lights at the same time. The lights were blinking, fading in and out, and didn't make a sound. One of the crew members recorded a short video, and in that footage, you can see 3 lights slowly drifting away from each other. The team flying the helicopter knew what they were looking at didn't feel normal. They were flying high up in freezing air, in the middle of the night with no towns nearby. Drones didn't seem likely either, not in those numbers, and definitely not above them at that height. The lights didn't show the usual signs of flares or military activity. They came and went quietly, moved smoothly, and seemed to be in sync. Whatever they were, they left the crew with more questions than answers. 2 silent triangles. This sighting happened while the witness was driving west on Old Highway 17. It was daytime and the area was quiet, with houses and a tree line near Mud Lake. While driving, the witness noticed something unusual about 200 meters to the left, hovering above the houses and trees. At first, only one object was visible, then a second one appeared nearby. Realizing this was not normal, the witness sped up slightly and turned onto Carl Street to get a better view and record a video.
Two of them.
The objects were very low, estimated to be about 100 feet off the ground. The witness said they could see them clearly with the naked eye. Both objects hovered in place and made little to no sound. The first object stood out the most. It looked like a metallic triangle with uneven, jagged edges. It did not spin fast or wobble like a drone. It stayed steady in the air. Around 35 seconds into the video, the camera focuses more clearly on this first object. The second object was harder to understand. At first, the witness thought it looked like a person using a red jetpack. But as it moved, that idea didn't make sense. Instead of flying smoothly, it appeared to tumble or flip in the air. The movement looked uncontrolled, but it still stayed airborne. The witness tried to focus the camera on the second object, but the footage was unclear. The witness does not believe these were normal aircraft. They were too low, too quiet, and did not behave like planes or helicopters. Drones are also questioned because of the shape, size, and hovering movement. The metallic triangle shape and the strange tumbling motion of the second object remain unexplained. The witness admits they don't know what the objects were, but they're confident they were seeing something unusual and not part of everyday air traffic. Rectangle in the sky. It was the 14th of August 2025, around 10:25 p.m. in Spanish Fork, Utah. Two friends were standing in the parking lot of an apartment complex, just talking after a get-together. The night was quiet, with stars visible in the sky. One of them happened to look up, and something caught his attention. He saw a black, rectangular object flying east to west. In an area where small planes are common, this one felt different. It wasn't making any sound. It had no blinking lights or wings. It wasn't behaving like any normal plane or drone. It just floated through the sky at what he guessed was between 500 and 1,000 feet above them. As it moved, it passed in front of a cloud and some stars blocking them from view. That detail stood out because it meant the object wasn't a reflection or something far off in the atmosphere. It was really there. He quickly pulled out his phone and tried to record it. The clip is short, but it captured the object's brief appearance before it moved behind a building. The video doesn't show everything clearly. The object looks somewhat like a flying wing in the footage, but the witness said it had sharp edges and a more rectangular shape in person. It also glowed for a moment but had no trail or sound. What stood out most was how solid and quiet it was. For someone who's used to watching planes in that area, this was something new, something that didn't match anything familiar. Could it have been some kind of drone? Maybe, but it didn't look or move like one. It was visible for just a few seconds, and then it was gone. Strange green light. In Las Vegas, something odd happened in the sky around 7:15 p.m. A resident from the lakes area near West Sahara stepped outside and saw something that didn't look normal. In the sky, just sitting there above Farron Road, was a green, glowing orb. Not blinking, not moving, not fading, just hovering. It didn't act like a plane, star, drone, or anything the witness had seen before. Curious and loud, they called their mom and neighbors to come out and look too. Everyone started noticing the same thing. It was just there, glowing green, with no sound or change.
There it is again.
Oh, it's coming back.
Yeah, it's coming back. Okay, look right there. A tree, it's blinking in green. It's stopping, and then it'll go hella fast in one direction, stop, and then it'll come right back. It's not a plane. It's gonna move.
There it goes. It's moving.
What?
There, and it turned around.
What? It call Stefan, Mom. He'll trip out. You know he loves UFOs. Like, what is that? I gave it to you yesterday. Dang, now it's behind their house. I actually do.
The glowing orb stayed in place. The witness took 6 raw, unedited photos seconds apart, and they all showed the same light in the same spot. But then something even stranger happened. A white beam of light suddenly appeared in the clouds directly above the orb. It wasn't there before, and it didn't stay long after. There was no visible light source pointing upward, and it wasn't coming from the ground. One of the neighbors suggested it could be the Luxor beam, a famous bright light in Vegas, but that didn't line up with the location or direction. The beam had no usual glow, no haze, no steady base. Just a white streak suddenly appearing in the sky, captured in real time. The witness made it clear they weren't using zoom, filters, or editing. They live in the area and are familiar with all kinds of lights, planes, helicopters, spotlights, drones, reflections. This wasn't like any of those. The orb wasn't behaving like typical tech in the sky, and the white beam only added to the confusion. No one could say what it was. All the witnesses knew for sure. They'd never seen anything like that before. Frozen light towers. A week ago, people in the Dearborn area looked up and saw something strange. 3 tall beams of light were stretching straight into the night sky. They weren't flashing or moving, just standing there, glowing silently. 2 had a golden white glow, and the other seemed to have a faint red tint. It was enough to make drivers stop their cars and neighbors step outside to watch. Now, before I show you the full video, if you are enjoying it so far, please be sure to hype this video. And with that, let's take a look at the original clip. The lights didn't seem to be coming from anywhere on the ground. No searchlights, no spotlights. The sky wasn't completely clear, but these beams went right up through the clouds. They weren't flickering. They weren't changing. They just stood still, almost like they were marking something. Some people pulled out their phones. Others just stared. What made it even stranger was how perfect and vertical the lights were. They weren't wide. They didn't fade out like fog or reflection, and they didn't seem to move over time. They were just there, quiet, bright, unexplained. At first, people tried to explain it. Maybe it's something from a building. Maybe someone's testing a new kind of light. But no one could find a source. The beams didn't connect to anything on the ground. Others wondered, was it something coming down instead of going up? Could it be connected to something we don't understand yet? No one heard a sound. No planes. No drones. Just those 2 beams standing still in the middle of the sky. And then, slowly, they faded without warning. Whatever it wasn't normal. And no one had a clear answer. Thank you for watching, and make sure to subscribe for more interesting, mysterious videos as well.